Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through the airplane mode secret tricks. If you turn on your airplane mode, you cannot just use your mobile data, but there is a trick. If you use that, you can just use your mobile data while you are on airplane mode. So at first, just turn on airplane mode. After that, just click on your phone. Now just dial *#* 4636 #*#. Now just click on your phone, and here you can see mobile radio power off. Just turn it on. After turning it on, here you can see it is running. After turning it on, you can use your mobile data. If you cannot use your mobile data, just try to turn it off and on again. If you try it a few times, it will work. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.